Bubbles, an African elephant, is a touching example of wildlife conservation that resonates with animal lovers worldwide. Born in Africa in the early 1980s, Bubbles was one of the many unfortunate elephant calves orphaned by the widespread poaching crisis that devastated elephant populations for their valuable ivory tusks. In a stroke of fortune amidst a dire situation, Bubbles was rescued from an uncertain fate in Africa. In the mid-1980s, she was brought to the United States as part of an initiative to save orphaned elephants. Bubbles was relocated to a safari in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, known as T.I.G.E.R.S, the Institute of Greatly Endangered and Rare Species. This sanctuary became her lifelong home, providing her with the care and space she needed. Standing over 9 feet tall and weighing approximately 9,000 pounds, Bubbles grew into a gentle and intelligent giant, becoming one of the most beloved residents of the sanctuary. Her presence at T.I.G.E.R.S helped raise awareness about the plight of elephants in the wild and the ongoing challenges of conservation. Bubbles became a star attraction, not just for her imposing size and gentle demeanor, but also for her surprising friendship with other animals at the sanctuary, including dogs and even tigers. These friendships were often showcased in media stories about the sanctuary, symbolizing the peaceful coexistence of different species and highlighting the complex emotional capacities of elephants. Her interactions with humans were equally remarkable. Bubbles was known for her gentle playfulness and intelligence, often participating in educational programs where visitors could learn about elephants and the importance of conservation efforts. She was particularly popular in activities such as elephant rides, which were later phased out to ensure her welfare and to align with changing perspectives on wildlife tourism and animal rights. Bubbles' story is not just about her survival and life in a sanctuary, it's a poignant reminder of the impact of human activities on wildlife. Her rescue and subsequent life in a sanctuary underscore the responsibilities of humans to protect and conserve endangered species. Bubbles continues to be an ambassador for her species, teaching thousands of visitors about the beauty and intelligence of elephants and the critical need to protect them in the wild. Her life story contributes to a broader narrative of wildlife conservation and animal welfare, emphasizing hope and positive human intervention in the face of environmental challenges.
Rescue from poaching. Bubbles was orphaned as a result of poaching, which is tragic but unfortunately common. Her rescue and relocation to the United States are rare, considering many orphaned elephants don't survive or are not rescued. Living amongst predators, Bubbles' interactions and friendships with other species at the sanctuary, including predators like tigers, are highly unusual and fascinating, demonstrating unusual interspecies relationships. Participation in human activities. Her involvement in activities that are not typical for wild elephants, such as playing with dogs and interacting closely with humans, showcases her adaptability and the unique life she leads in captivity. Educational role. Bubbles has an educational role at the sanctuary, helping to teach visitors about conservation issues facing elephants. This ambassadorial role is vital but unusual for an elephant. Size and habitat. The fact that an elephant of Bubbles' size, over 9 feet tall and weighing around 9,000 pounds, is kept in a sanctuary setting in the United States, far from her natural habitat, is both strange and extraordinary.